Foster City, California. An 8-foot high by 350 feet and a 3-foot high by 220 feet. Gonna dewater this shoreline so they can do something to these steel piers sticking up. AquaDam looks great. Here's the end of it. This is where the 3-footer comes up the bank. At this connection, because this is a 3-foot high dam and it's too deep and it leaks right here at this connection, we had to put some fill in there and shove it in there and underneath this one here and to stop the leakage because the ends of the dam are rounded. So this little stream here is all the leakage from 220 feet of dam is right here. They're going to have to live with that and deal with it. Because they got a bunch of big rock under this that was put there by man and I don't know. But this is how we solved it. Of course, they're going to take all that fill out before they take the AquaDam out. To reach it, we had to get this little case way out there.